Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a hearty, healthy, protein-packed lentil patty recipe. Now this is a versatile recipe or dish that you can enjoy as an appetizer or use these lentil patties as burger patties and make some nice delicious burgers as well. So this is a basic recipe which you can easily make in just about 30 minutes. So let's get started and check it out. For the lentil patties I've taken 2 cups of tur dal and I have soaked it for about 2 hours. So you can see it's soaked beautifully. Now it's a 250 ml cup measurement that I have used. Once the dal is soaked nicely, just strain it completely. After straining the water completely, to a large bowl, add the soaked tur dal. I'm going to add a few other ingredients that goes into making the patties. Add 1 large onion, finely chopped. Next I'm adding about 5 large cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. 3 green chilies cut up. So next I'm going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fine red chili flakes. I've made a recipe on how to make your own homemade red chili flakes. We'll give you the link in the description. You can check it out. Next I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder. So just give this a quick mix. It is a very simple and tasty snack or starter that you can make at home. These patties are incredibly delicious and very easy to make. So next I'm adding 1 cup of roughly chopped coriander leaves. After adding the coriander leaves, just give that a quick mix. So now I'm going to grind this in batches in the mixer jar to get a nice coarse patty mixture. I'm adding half of the dal. So I'm grinding this in pulse mode. You don't want it too fine. So you can see I've ground it in pulse mode without adding any water. Just look at that consistency. So this is what we are looking for. The moisture in the onions is more than enough to help get this exact consistency that we are looking for. The patty mixture is ready. Now let's start making the patties. Take a large portion of the mixture. So we're going to make these patties nice and big, just like those burger patties. So once you've taken enough, just flatten it. So you can see the size of these patties. So we want it this big. Make sure it's not too thick or too thin. So we're just going to directly fry them. We're going to pan fry these patties. We're not going to deep fry or shallow fry. Just prepare all the raw patties in this manner. Just pour a little oil onto the pan or tawa. Just spread it out evenly on all sides. Gently place the patty onto the tawa. Keep the flame on medium. Cook the patties on medium flame. Dab a little bit of oil on top before flipping them over. Just using a brush here. Once it's come to a nice golden brown color on one side, gently flip it to the other side and cook till it's completely done. You can just gently press them. Maintain the flame on medium throughout. The lentil patties are done. You can see it's got this lovely golden brown color on both sides. Make sure to serve these lentil patties nice and hot. Everybody will absolutely love them. They are very healthy and it's quite simple to make. Make sure you follow all the steps to get it correctly. It's time to taste these delicious lentil patties. I just couldn't wait actually. Yummy. Oh my god, these are so good. Wow, those lentil patties were incredible. Just make sure you serve them nice and hot with any dip of your choice, and it makes for a very nice evening starter or snack, and they're quite filling. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.